Hi, I'm going to be showing you how to install this Harbor Breeze Aero or Litex Titan. Some steps can be complicated, like installing the blades. Watch this video to see how to install it. You install a mounting bracket. Then you remove the 6 screws. Save the screws. You will need them after installing the blades. Do not hang the fan in the ceiling until after the blades are installed. Then you remove this thing. Then you remove the motor housing. If you want the lighter side, slide a darker side up. If you want a darker side, slide a lighter side up. Then screw the 3 screws in until tightened. Repeat for 4 other blades. And put a motor housing back on. Make sure you put it in the right place. Then you put that thing back on. And make sure you align it in the right place. Then you tighten the screws. Then you put lower canopy on, upper canopy on. Make sure you put them on before you put down rod on. Then you insert a down rod in. Push the pin through. It can be complicated with the wires in the way. Then you push the quarter pin through the pin to make sure the pin doesn't slide out and cause the fan to fall down. Then you screw in the set screw so the fan won't wobble as easily. Make sure it's tightened. Hang the fan and you screw it until it gets into slot. Then you slide the receiver in. Fire up the receiver. 3 ground wire together. Blue for fan to blue receiver. White for fan to white receiver next to blue. Black for fan to black and receiver next to blue. Other white and receiver to wire an outlet. Another black wire and receiver to black wire and outlet. You put canopy on and make sure the screws are tightened. Then you screw in the halogen light bulb. Put a globe on and you screw it clockwise until tightened. Turn the power on and now you can turn on the fan. Anyways, thanks for watching and please remember to comment, rate, and subscribe.